Civil War campsite. Look at that. Just picked up something. Is it a piece of pipe? What is it?
I don't know.
Huh. I think it's just a piece of pipe, I think. I don't know. We'll investigate that later. But cool. I'll put it in my pocket. We'll keep on. That was a 91, so yeah, it was a good signal. That's another target. It's right there. Don't move it. Put pointer. Scoop up with your hand. Just take a big scoop and check it. Oh, you're. We have to use your other hand. Because of the necklace bracelets.
Hold on.
Oh, the bling. Alright, you're just moving random stuff. I'm not checking.
I need help. Help me. Help me.
Okay. Let me take this.
Oh, wow.
It's trash.
That's tough.
Lots of dig. Here we go.
Is it on?
Yep. So we know it's in that little bump.
Which one?
Oh, that's not on.
Oh.
Derp.
Right, which one?
Right in there. Just put that thing in there to find it. Time to do. It's on, right?
I think so.
You don't touch to your thing. Yep. Just you can even hold it flat and just run across the top of it.
Which one did you say it was in?
Right in there. Could be that gold coin. It could be a little lead ball. Alright, squeeze and hold that button. I'll swing it this. Alright, back up, sleeve it. Now it's over here. Right.
Oh.
Okay, here. Let's turn it on.
Okay.
Right there. Don't sweep too far. Should be right there. See me scoop that up. Right here somewhere. Unless it's just a piece of junk that it's picking up. You see nothing there? Let me take a scoop of that and move it away from this area. Something doesn't seem right. Now it's gone. This doesn't make any sense. Hang on, folks. What that is, it's got some gold looking plating in there. It's broke. Looks like copper. Gold plated with copper. I don't know. It's interesting. That's it.
Great
We'll see what a
observation.
66 is here in this sandy, luscious soil. 67. Those are my neighborhood with gold coins. Numbers. It's round, but it's teeny. It's not a trine. It's off your boots. Boot button. So you can handle that video. Describe what you got.
I don't know. I don't know how to describe things. Oh. Okay.
I think it's a mashed piece of aluminum can, I think. Something else in there with it. Something in there. Nice tone that I would dig every day. Got a scratch with it. I don't like that.
I don't know.
What is that? It's a nut. That makes two of them now. One there and one holding it. Yeah, they give good tones. I don't know if it's brass. Probably just well, it could be brass with white brass coating. And normal.
Nothing special.
It's all trash. Yeah.
Never mind.
No, I don't dig it.
Oh.
It's junk, but it's an 89, so I'm going to say it's double target there, which is odd. Means it could be again, or just something odd shit. That's one of the nuances I do for this machine. Because I found good stuff with that toning. It means something. Sometimes you find something else in there, or something just distorted shaped.
I don't know.
Bam!
Okay.
Hold on. Check it out. Put the camera on there. Look through the camera. Oh, buckle. Now, yeah, keep that covered up because that's where your microphone is. Keep saying. So tell them what year that's from and everything.
Okay.
No, I do a lot of times make it up.
A year a year where people have existed. That's what I'm gonna say.
That's all.
Okay.
Microphone cover up. You don't have a microphone with a cover.
See it? Where?
Yeah. Big green plastic. You know what it is?
Like some sort of metal.
Colonial telephone line.
Oh, okay, I would have never guessed that.
Nope, it's a piece of gas line or brake line. That's yours. Pocket. It's next door to that one.
Same spot.
Huh?
No.
It's copper. So I mean, Turn that in for some cash, get a new metal detector. You can laugh, I got a brand new compound tool. $600. Paid cash.
Okay.
I did check that. It changed to a mid-tone sound, so it's probably trash. It's not gold.
So
Check it, I'm sure.
nothing has been
It was
gold.
given a good tone before, but I think when I dug it out, it turned it into what it was, which is garbage.
It's like a
Can.
yeah.
Nope. It's in the hole.
It's something we found.
Yeah. Thing still 89. 87. So in fact, that little piece of foil was in there that dragged that number down. That's what I like about this detector. Well, this program. Some of these programs will definitely drag the number IDs down, but the program does not. Now that it's out of the hole, it's 82.
Oh, was it over here? Oh. You wanna hold this?
It. Time of day. Suspense is killing me. Pick it up, check it. Check this. That thing right there. That hard piece of aluminum or whatever. Oh, light bulb. Base. They really stink. See how deep it is, that'll tell us what it's canning. Still in the hole, or stick.
Still in there? Oh.
It's not very shallow, so put it in the can. Alright. That's cool, whatever that is. Is that a big buckle?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pretty awesome. Number 2 and it hit a 99. How weird is that? Be sure to the tongue. I didn't have it. Oh, it's something else.
It's not. Okay.
Record? It's supposed to. Alright, up here. This is the height you're supposed to swing this thing. If you're not brushing the ground, you're losing tremendous depth on your detector. I'm coming around 8 to 9 foot of area there instead of just 3 or 4 feet. This here will wear your arm out, an elbow. There you go. That will wear you a arm all day long. You go. Unless you got a 15-inch coil, you can detect it all day. 7 foot, whatever it is. That's it. My help is it for today. Here we go at 85. Let me check with that pin pointer. That's a good target. If it was a bad target, that would be a sharp squeal. Your ears will know the difference between the smooth sound and the sharp sound. Still in the hole. I've become very efficient with this method.
Oh, we believe it.
I'm not wasting any time. You will not see me go in a hole with a pinpointer to dig. I'll find it. It's all the way at the bottom. I'll cut that off and dig it just so it's because it's faster. Oh well, it sure sounded good. Cut the gold there. Alright, what do we have? Swing her over that.
Like a
it's
silver
75 or
bullet
something.
thingy.
Swing it over there. Over top. Oh, 84. The rung up a 75. But there's a... I don't know why. Yeah, something got a dirt line. That button. Investigate. Looks like it might be a rivet. Put the camera on it so the camera can see the dirt falling.
Looks like a
camera.
nail, maybe? I don't know.
What?
Yeah. Something like that.
That's
Button,
rivet.
possibly.
Rivet.
I don't know what things
them
are.
together in leather back in the old days.
Up there.
Yeah, it's just a rivet. Yeah, never even been squished on me because you had another piece that go in there. It's not super old, but it's cool. It's a rivet.